Today I am reviewing the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i AI-powered gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is a gaming desktop that truly elevates your experience, whether you're a hardcore gamer, live streamer, or content creator. Powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 265F processor, this PC delivers incredible computing power that keeps up with the most demanding AAA games and multitasking workloads. From opening multiple applications to rendering videos or streaming gameplay, the CPU ensures everything runs smoothly without any noticeable lag or slowdown, giving you a seamless, high-performance experience. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070T graphics card, the Legion Tower 5i transforms your gaming visuals into something extraordinary. This GPU enables ultra-high FPS performance, lifelike ray-trace graphics, and immersive visuals that make every game look stunning. Whether you're exploring vast open-world environments or engaging in fast-paced competitive shooters, the RTX 5070T ensures your visuals are crisp, vibrant, and free from stuttering. Content creators will also appreciate the enhanced rendering speeds and AI-powered acceleration, making photo, video, and 3D editing faster than ever. Design and expandability are where the Legion Tower 5i really stands out. The transparent side panel allows you to showcase your powerful hardware, while the customizable RGB lighting adds a personal touch to your setup. Tool-less access makes upgrades effortless, letting you expand memory, storage, or add new components without complicated steps. With 32GB of DDR5 memory, expandable up to 128GB, you'll have more than enough capacity for demanding applications and future-proofing your system as new games and software emerge. Connectivity is another area where the Legion Tower 5i shines. Equipped with 2.5G Ethernet and Wi-Fi 6E, this desktop provides lightning-fast network speeds, reducing lag during online gaming or streaming. A wide range of I/O ports ensures you can connect multiple monitors, external drives, VR gear, and other peripherals without compromising performance or convenience. This makes the Legion Tower 5i a complete solution for modern gamers and creators who demand flexibility and reliability. One of the most exciting additions is the inclusion of 3 months of PC Game Pass and EA Play, allowing you to jump into a vast library of games from day one. Whether it's new AAA releases like Halo Infinite or Overwatch 2, or classic favorites, there's always something to play. This subscription not only adds value, but also ensures you can experience a wide variety of games without additional purchases. Performance and cooling are carefully balanced in this machine. The optimized 180W air cooling system maintains peak performance while keeping noise to a minimum. This means you can enjoy long gaming or editing sessions without worrying about your system overheating or generating distracting fan noise. Overall, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is a powerhouse desktop that combines speed, performance, and versatility. From high-end gaming and content creation to smooth multitasking and future-ready upgrades, this PC delivers everything a modern gamer or creator could need. With its bold design, robust connectivity, and included Game Pass subscription, it's not just a computer. It's an all-in-one gaming and creative experience that's ready to handle today's challenges and tomorrow's demands.